For more than a decade, our intention has been to create a mini fridge that is all automatic, a physical object that disappears into the experience. This is iFridge X, developing the form and graphical user interface together defines a whole new integration, making the boundary between the device and the can hard to discern. The custom Java UI was engineered to like and seamlessly combine with wonderful people. There's no mechanical buttons. A simple click takes you to one more degree. A more responsive graphic system means the interaction is more fluid. The matte black stainless plastic body reinforces the cooling, all plastic design. This new plastic formulation, the most durable ever in a mini fridge, enables, for the first time, nothing more. Our new hygrometer, contained within this tiny space, uses extraordinary sensor technology to pick up the right dampness every second. We call this the HT11. It takes off the exact humidity of the inside of the fridge. This data is analyzed by the neural engine on the Arduino Uno, the first of its kind. The probe PT100 also enables new experiences, like change the resistor in a temperature with Steinhart-Hart equation. This is iFridge X.